Hello, in this video I'm gonna show the speed up tricks on the Redmi A5. Okay, so let's begin. Let's open up our settings first. In here, we need to scroll down into the bottom, and first let's click on About Phone. We want to get access into our developer settings, and to do it we need to tap on build number a few times. Okay, now I need to confirm by drawing my pattern, and as you can see, the phone says that we are now a developer. Okay, now let's click on System, now scroll down, and here we have the developer options. And now, in that options, we need to find four specific options that we need to change. So let's keep on scrolling. Okay, here they are. 3 of them. So we have the window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale, and those 3 options, as you can see, currently are set on 1x. To improve the speed of your phone, I suggest you should select them on 0.5, all 3 of them, or if you want, you can select all of them on off. It is completely up to you. I'm gonna leave it on 0.5. Now scroll down a little bit more. Okay, until we find the apps. And in here we have the background process limit. Currently, as you can see, it's set on standard limit. And to improve the speed of your phone, you can select at most 3 processes or at most 4. It is completely up to you, but you can pick between those 2 options to boost your speed. I'm gonna select at most 3. Okay, so that's all that we need to change in the developer options. Now we can find the storage. In here you can also see the free storage space on your phone. And in here we can click on free up space. We can complete this action by Files by Google or the Storage Manager. I'm gonna use the Storage Manager. Now let's wait until it's finished. Okay. And here we have unfrequently used apps. Simply select them, click on free up space again. Okay, click on turn on. And I don't know what happened. Okay, they have been successfully removed. So that's cool. Also, you can click on apps. And in here, if you click on see all apps, you have a list of all of them. And if you have some apps that you are not currently using, you can simply click on the app and uninstall it. Simply uninstall. And also, from some apps, you can click on storage and cache, and you will have option to clear the cache, but it's not available in all of the apps. For example, it doesn't want to work on the WhatsApp, because there's nothing to clear, but maybe on the YouTube. Okay, on the YouTube you can click on clear cache, boom, and that's all. Okay, now we can exit the settings for now, and we can open up the cleaner. Okay, oh, why it took so fast? I want to try again. For now, as you can see, it didn't found anything, no trash. Okay, so we don't need to perform any actions in here, but you can also open up the cleaner from time to time, and here run the cleaning process, and then simply wait. Also make sure that you don't have much apps running in the background, because it will also might get worse with the performance of the phone, and it doesn't work for speed. Okay, also we can open up settings again, scroll down, click on System, and click on System Updates. It is always good to see if there's a possible update available, and if you have that option, simply install it. As you can see, in my case, the system is up to date, so I don't need to download anything, but from time you can also make sure by clicking check for update. Okay, system is still up to date, I don't need to download anything, so that's cool. Okay. Also, you can perform a simple reboot from time to time. To do it, to perform a reboot, first up we need to open up the power menu. To do it, click on the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And now simply tap on restart. And now, as you can see, the screen went black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Performing a simple reboot is recommended because during that process the phone frees up some RAM, and it also deletes some of the processes that are running in the background. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.